Jordan is well aware of its problems with water. We have a metric that says that if a country gets 500 cubic meters per person per year, that's considered absolute scarcity. Jordan's number is more like 100. We developed something called the Jordan Water Model, and we did it in cooperation with the Ministry of Water and Irrigation for Jordan. And the idea is to project into the future what the possible remedies would be for their water crisis now and in the future. It's a landlocked country, basically. There's a small opening to the Red Sea, and besides that, they're completely landlocked. If a country gets low rainfall, in the US we get about 30 inches a year, and in Jordan they get about 10. They have a water system that's functional, but they lose about half of their water. It's either lost due to pipe leaks or it's stolen. On the social side, their population in Jordan has increased steadily, but it's punctuated by waves of refugees. So for example, during the 2011 Syrian civil war, they accepted 1 million Syrian refugees. We have various scenarios that we look at, including a moderate climate change scenario, which has just a 2-degree temperature rise by about 2070. And then we have a crisis scenario. Say, what happens if there's severe climate change, rapid economic growth, and there's an additional wave of refugees that come in? So that's stressing the system. We find that the water managers don't really have the time to worry about very long-term prospects. They're much more concerned with delivering water day to day, week to week, month to month. And now there's total realization that they're going to have this severe crisis in front of them with climate change and population change. And so this is a tool for the Jordanians to look into their future and see what will and won't work. We consider a series of policy interventions that Jordan could adopt. And the biggest supply side enhancements are to desalinate water from the Red Sea, and you can also reduce pipe losses. Another possibility is demand management. So you can charge higher tariffs on the larger, richer water consumers. The model is applicable to any place where there's water scarcity. It's important for water managers to have this window into the future to see what interventions work and what won't work. And in Jordan's case, they have to do everything to get something that gets them out of this crisis that they're going to have even more so than today.